Hi there. Here's the video to find student reports. So I am in iReady, obviously. I go to diagnostic status. Then I go to monitor student status. Then here is a list of all the kids testing. I go to the student that has completed their diagnostic. And then it opens up, okay? And it shows the domains, and then it has all these, all these numbers like typical growth, stretch growth. This is their level, and then pretty much what we look at is grade K. And then we look at this. Go to PDF, and you have all of these different options that you can choose from. For me, I do not send parents national norm, nor do I send them additional resources. I do not send additional resources because most of the resources we do not have to give them. Then I click print. And it opens up in a PDF. And then you'll just save it or print it, whatever it is you want to do from here. Okay? I do not think there is a way to do batch. I believe last year that question came up, and we could only do individual. So the good thing is, if we do not have to provide these, doing them individually it's easy. Okay? So there's your video. All right, take care.